WTO Foreign Ministers meeting. India supports the successful Chinese presidency of the ASEAN.
谢谢阁下，我很高兴来参加上合组织外长会议期间跟您见面。印度支持中国担任上合组织临时主席国取得成功。
Excellency, our bilateral relationship, as you have noted, has been steadily improving since the meeting of Prime Minister Modi and President Xi Jinping in Kazan last October.
去年10月，莫迪总理和习主席在喀山会晤之后，双边关系稳步改善。
I'm confident that my discussions on this visit will maintain that positive trajectory.
我相信这次访问当中的讨论能够保持这种的积极的方向。
We have marked, Excellency, the 75th anniversary of the establishment of our diplomatic relations. The resumption of the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra is also widely appreciated in India. Continued normalization of our ties can produce mutually beneficial outcomes.
我们庆祝两国建交75周年，恢复朝圣在印度受到广泛欢迎，双边关系的继续正常化能够创造互惠结果。
The international situation